How much should you actually spend on headlight bulbs? It's interesting because some people are satisfied with the cheap ones while others swear by the pricier options. But here's the deal. Price doesn't always mean quality, and finding the right bulb can make a huge difference in your safety on the road. Product number 1, Sylvania H11 Extra Vision. First up is the Sylvania H11 Extra Vision. Priced at $41.45, this bulb caught my attention for its promise of high performance. If you want to enhance your visibility on the road, this is worth a serious look. Now, why is this bulb a solid choice? The Extra Vision boasts enhanced downroad visibility, which means you can see further ahead without extra glare. With an impressive reputation, Sylvania has sold over 10,000 units in just the past month, showing that many drivers trust this product. Here's why this matters for you. If one bulb burns out, it's smart to replace them in pairs to maintain balance and performance. The reliability of this bulb is backed by Sylvania's over 100 years in the business, ensuring you're getting quality you can count on. Now, some users mention that these bulbs can sometimes dim faster than expected. Here's the thing though, while that can be a concern, the clarity and distance they provide are well worth it, especially if you prioritize safety. This is perfect for you if you're someone who often drives at night or in poor weather. Skip this one if you rarely use your headlights or if you're looking for a budget option. For the price, you're getting a solid value for increased safety on the road. Now, if the slight dimming issue bothered you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sylvania 9005 Extra Vision. Next, we have the Sylvania 9005 Extra Vision, priced at $26.26. This bulb really stood out for its balance of performance and affordability. If you're after a reliable bulb that won't break the bank, this is a great option. So what makes this bulb effective? It's perfect for those late-night drives when visibility can be sketchy. Over 3,000 people have purchased this bulb recently, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Here's why this matters for you. With a wattage of 50, it's energy efficient while still providing ample brightness. The robust design means it can handle the wear and tear of daily driving without burning out quickly. But I'll be real with you, some drivers found that installation can be a bit tricky. However, if you're willing to take your time or seek help, the safety benefits outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers on performance. Skip this if you're not comfortable with small installation challenges. It offers great value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want brighter light. Product number 3, Sylvania 9006 Extra Vision. Now let's talk about the Sylvania 9006 Extra Vision, which is priced at just $20.63. I found this bulb to be an excellent choice if you're focused on budget without compromising quality. If you want a reliable bulb that provides good visibility, this is worth a serious look. Why is this bulb a strong contender? This is essential for safe driving, especially on darker roads. With over 2,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many drivers are making this choice. Here's why this matters for you. The design ensures durability, meaning you won't be changing bulbs frequently. A robust filament design and a proprietary gas mixture provide superior performance over time. That said, some users reported that these bulbs can take a while to warm up. But honestly, once they're fully lit, the visibility makes it worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable, budget-friendly bulb. Skip this if you need something that lights up instantly. For the price, you're getting excellent value, especially for safety. Now, if the warming issue concerns you, let's look at something designed for brightness. Product number 4, Sylvania H11 Silver Star Ultra. Next up is the Sylvania H11 Silver Star Ultra, priced at $61.71. This one really caught my eye for its promise of brightness. If you want the brightest downroad visibility, this is definitely worth considering. Why is this bulb a standout? The Silver Star Ultra uses tri-band technology, which means it produces a whiter light that can significantly enhance your visibility at night. With over 2,000 sold just last month, it's clear that drivers value this option. Here's why this matters for you. The wattage is 55, which means you're getting high brightness without excessive power usage. Plus, this bulb is designed for high performance, ensuring you're able to see further down the road when it matters most. However, some users mention that the lifespan can be shorter than other options. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize brightness and visibility, the trade-off can be well worth it for your safety. This is perfect for you if you drive frequently at night or in rural areas where visibility is critical. Skip this if you're looking for a long-lasting bulb and don't need maximum brightness. You'll get great value if you prioritize seeing clearly. Now, if brightness is your main concern, this next bulb might be the perfect balance for you. Product number 5, Sylvania H7 Extra Vision. Finally, we have the Sylvania H7 Extra Vision, also priced at $41.45. This bulb is a fantastic option if you want a reliable and strong performer. If you're looking for a bulb that combines good visibility with durability, give this one a look. What sets this bulb apart? This is important for nighttime driving or when you're in situations with mixed lighting. With over 2,000 purchases in the past month, it's popular for a reason. Here's why this matters for you. The design ensures that you get the best performance over time, making it a reliable choice. Plus, it's manufactured to withstand the wear and tear of everyday driving. Some users did find that it doesn't produce as bright a light as some high-end options. But honestly, for regular driving needs, the visibility is more than adequate and offers solid performance. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable bulb without overspending. Skip this if you need the absolute brightest light available. It offers good value for a reliable, everyday headlight option. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic headlight bulb options. The Sylvania H11 Extra Vision offers great reliability, while the 9005 Extra Vision gives you budget-friendly performance. The 9006 Extra Vision stands out for its affordability, and the Silver Star Ultra is perfect for those who prioritize brightness. Finally, the H7 Extra Vision provides solid value for everyday use.